A typical day starts the night before when we review the calendar for the next day. I found that Natalie reacts positively if she knows exactly what's going to happen, how we're going to get there, when we're going to eat. And if she feels comfortable with that, it becomes a good experience. Whereas if something doesn't go exactly right as planned, sometimes that causes her some frustrations that we have to deal with. When we get up in the morning, we both get showered and conduct personal hygiene, and I assist her with some of those tasks. I assist her with getting dressed. Breakfast is normally something small, kind of a quick, continental type breakfast. Seldom do we cook for breakfast. And then we go about our day, usually going to appointments, both VA appointments and appointments outside the VA. Lunchtime is, again, kind of easy to prepare sandwiches. Natalie, I admit, is a much healthier eater than I am. And so she will work in a salad as opposed to a sandwich or any types of processed foods. Afternoon, if we're not doing appointments, currently, Natalie has taken scuba lessons. Our plan is to get scuba qualified and that become an outdoor activity that we can both do together. Supper, normally we cook together. We've had issues in the past because of Natalie's TBI of leaving the stove on or, forgetting to add an ingredient. So we do that together. And again, Natalie's very healthy outlook when we're cooking. Then the evenings is kind of relax. We watch TV and discuss anything, and then we start the whole process over, getting ready for the next day.
BrainLine is powered in part by Wounded Warrior Project to honor and empower post 9/11 injured service members, veterans, and their families.